Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to create metallic oval image in Microsoft Word. So let's started. At first open your Word document file. In this video I will show create metallic oval image. Firstly, now insert from going to insert option, then click for a picture. Now find your picture in the file. Now click for image. Now click for insert option. That is. Now you can see create insert from image. This image is metallic oval image. Now going to the power button option, then click for more option, then click for a metal oval image. That is. Now you can see create metallic oval image is very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel.